미래를 볼 수 있는 남자 제임스.
To the end of the day, your ass is out of here.
You're 4 fucking days late. Where is my rent?
You have to the end of the day, or your ass is out of here.
하지만 이 능력은 불특정한 시점을 스치듯 짧게 보는 것이기에 불완전한 능력이었습니다.
I just need like $1 for lunch. I just need like $1 for lunch.
그러던 어느 날 한 여성이 위기에 처한 것을 보게 되고
Hey, asshole! Mind your own fucking business. Double teaming me, huh?
여성을 구하는 데 성공합니다.
You okay?
Fine.
Oh, hey. Looks like our friend left us a little something. Payday. Who could have guessed?
He's twice your size.
The bigger they are, the harder they fall.
You're just zoned out.
You look kind of familiar. I'm James.
Angela.
I'm just around the corner, above Blue Chip Auto. It's a repair shop.
Hanging out in alleyways now, Jimmy?
Sal? When did you get out?
A couple of months ago. You don't mind if I borrow your man for a second? Ray wants to talk. You're gonna want to hear from him.
You earned at least half of this. I'll see you around.
Yeah.
Time to see Ray.
But it has to be double. What I said. Jimmy in the flesh. So how's life?
It's day to day, you know.
You know what I would do if I had your brain?
Try to take over the world.
제임스의 능력을 알고 있는 레이는 그에게 제안을 합니다.
One that might get you out of your day-to-day ways and me out of this fabric fuck. You're looking at over 10 million VVS one. I became acquainted with these guys from Zimbabwe. Only problem is the FBI is so far up my fucking ass. I need you to find safe passage, and then you can find yourself $100 grand. You saw something, didn't you?
I saw the handoff.
Hallelujah. You do it quick. 24 hours. Here's my burner number. Call it when we're ready to go. Both our lives, eh?
그렇게 다이아를 받아 집에 있는데 안젤라가 찾아왔고
I just came by to give you a little thank you. That you might want to hang out or something.
Come on. Welcome to my abode.
And I walked into the home of a serial.
That's how I get my thoughts out.
Are these your parents?
That's my foster dad, and that's my mom.
Contact with your mom or your foster dad?
He's a little overbearing. Parents around?
No. I figure this life is up to me.
Someday all that you see could be yours.
What about him saying that he saw the handoff?
그 시각 제임스를 도와야 할 살이 다이아몬드를 훔치려 했고
For the both of us.
Get in, get the bag, get the fuck out.
No blood. We do this right, everything changes.
또다시 무언가를 본 제임스는 그 단서를 벽에 기록합니다. 이어 그가 본 것은 자신의 죽음이었죠.
We gotta go. Get this on. Don't get freaked out, but there is someone in my apartment.
Open the door! Sal, he's running. He's running, Sal!
Tell me what the hell is happening. Breaking in.
I don't know.
제임스는 무사히 탈출하는 데 성공합니다.
James.
Been a while. You gotta talk to Elliot.
Elliot, what?
하필 이때 차가 고장나 버렸고
How bad is it?
There's a motel. Let that engine cool
I was
off.
gonna say something about a motel, but we should let the engine cool down.
How did you?
Play it cool.
Good evening, folks. There's a motel. Maybe a few exits down the road. You folks have a good evening.
How did you know?
We should get to that motel.
How'd you know he'd say that?
Every now and then I get lucky.
James, come on. The least you can do is tell me the truth.
제임스는 결국 안젤라에게 진실을 이야기합니다.
I see things. Things that haven't happened yet. Snippets or visions or whatever.
Like deja vu?
It's more fragmented than that. I see pieces.
What did you see?
I saw gunfire and a bullet hitting me in the chest. I should get off the road. The car cools down if you want to drop me at Elliot's and get out of here. I understand.
이들은 근처 모텔에 들어왔고 금고에 다이아를 둔 채 잠시 밖에 나왔습니다.
How long have you been like this?
My mother died when I was 7 years old. Car accident. I saw it 2 months before. I drew it. I guess that's when I first knew that our choices don't matter.
Oh, sadness was faded. It's a shitty way of seeing the world. Did you see that coming?
대화를 마치고 다시 숙소로 돌아오게 됐는데
No, that's safe here. We gotta go. We gotta go. Angela.
Who could have gone into that safe?
I don't know. Another half hour will be at Elliot's.
제임스는 양아버지 엘리엇의 집에 있었습니다.
Hey.
What are you doing here? Come in. It's been a while. How you doing?
Yeah.
You can cut the bullshit, because I can see it on your face.
I saw my death.
What?
Ray asked me to.
I warned you, didn't I?
I had no choice. I needed the work.
Of course you had a choice. It does not mean that you're impotent to choose. That you start applying yourself, then your future changes. Where does this happen?
It happens here.
It's all in here. Your drawings. You've always seen this. Right now, you've got to do everything in your power to change this. You've got to leave now.
Understand how his ability works.
It's more of an affliction, sadly. Just get him to leave.
Is this me?
Drew a lot of stuff back then. I don't remember half of it.
You said that you'd seen me. I believed you.
Can't escape what I saw.
We have to try. We have to at least try.
Hey, open up!
그 순간 이곳에 레이가 들이닥쳤고
Decided to rip me off right before my fucking eyes.
Bullshit. But they were stolen. I was working on it, and someone broke into my place.
This is a very big fucking deal we're doing. I think you fucking lied to me right from the very fucking beginning. Just tell me where they are.
He's telling you the truth.
Take Jimmy and the professor downstairs. Let's see what the princess has to say.
제임스와 엘리엇은 지하에 갇히게 되고
What's this all about? You know, I got a daughter about your age. Well, my Jimmy's never acted like this before. Ever.
They're secure.
Right, check the house.
Where's Angela?
순간 밖에서 알 수 없는 소리가 들립니다.
What the fuck was that?
Who the fuck is out there? Ray, I've told you everything I know. Who's out there, Jimmy? I have no idea. Ray, hey, don't move. Ray, leave her alone.
Fucking Zimbabwe.
안젤라는 빈틈을 노려 레이에게 기습을 해보지만 오히려 그녀는 총에 맞게 됩니다.
Sorry, kid. But it'll all make sense on the other side.
정신을 차려보니 제임스는 이곳에 혼자 있었고
Where's his armor?
그는 젊은 시절의 엘리엇과 마주하게 됩니다.
Happened to your beard?
Easy there. How did you get this? I never told you what the serum was. It's a time travel agent. Read this.
October 12th, 1994.
주사를 맞은 제임스는 과거로 타임슬립 되어 있었고
Elliot,
You having bad dreams?
who's in my dream?
Man downstairs. The present is where we live, right?
Just needed a test subject. You scoured foster homes.
You sent me to find you. Everything that child sees and does.
And everything is faded.
Well, that's my working hypothesis, yes.
He said I just needed to try, that nothing was fixed. But something did change. This was supposed to be my dead body.
Who's she?
Angela, somehow Angela changed.
제임스는 한 번 더 시간 슬립을 통해 안젤라를 구해야겠다 생각했고
Maybe change my fate. Maybe this is where I do it. That boy up there, he couldn't do anything to save his mom because he got scared. I have to help her.
You have to think and feel about where you want. Just one small dose per travel. Don't overdo it. Now focus on where you want to go. You have to avoid your other self at all costs.
And we're back.
Time's up, asshole.
Jesus Christ. Money, okay?
Are you holding out on me?
Angela.
Oh.
Hey.
Hi.
Fucking me. You know that? There. Happy? What about you?
I figure this life is. How?
We gotta go.
Open the fucking door!
Keep going. Fucking Sal!
Jimmy! Listen, there's been a change of plans.
Ray doesn't change plans, Sal.
Is that fucking chick? How the hell did he get there?
레이는 또 한 번 주사를 놔서 다른 시간으로 옮긴 것이었고
Getting the diamonds. Give them to Ray. You gotta be kidding me.
You looking for this?
Fuck are you guys doing?
You fucking him over, aren't
You
you?
know what it's like losing 4 years of your life? So I need those stones, James.
He kills her. He kills Angela. I'm gonna help her, Sal.
Move. I said move.
Dingo was his name.
Tell me I could kill him, Sal!
All right.
Dingo was his name.
Terry, watch out! You're a dead man, you punk.
Fucking red.
Isn't Ray the other way?
I think I know where he's going.
살은 서둘러 레이에게 먼저 전화하죠.
He took off. He ran off with some chick he met.
Fucking apartment.
Elliot.
You and I have a lot to talk about.
Did you end up saving her?
I don't know yet. I mean, it is my present, but I'm still in the past. There's another me. He doesn't know about any of this. But it doesn't happen to him. It happens to her. These are his diamonds. This is all that he wants.
Such a mess.
You did the best you could.
They're here. Who?
The earlier me. Stay far away. Just stay here. I saw my dad. Ray asked me to.
I warned you, didn't I?
잠시 후 예정대로 살과 레이도 이곳에 나타났고 제임스는 살해차에서 총을 하나 훔칩니다.
I'm sorry, Ray.
Who the fuck is out there? Who's out there, Jimmy? I have no idea, Ray. Who's out there? Hey, don't move! What the fuck are you doing out there?
레이를 쏘려던 순간 다른 누군가의 총에 맞아버렸고 이번에도 안젤라를 지키는 데 실패합니다. 다시 한 번 더 돌아가는 제임스. 일단은 응급치료가 필요한 상황. 그는 안젤라를 구하기 위해 단서들을 정리했고
Just keep the other me away from her.
안젤라를 자신에게서 떨어지게 할 전략을 세웁니다. 그런데 몸싸움 중 주사기가 꽂혀 그는 또다시 타임슬립 되었고 또다시 엘리엇의 집 일대로 돌아왔습니다.
I thought you were hiding the diamonds.
That's an earlier me. She always dies, no matter what I try.
You're talking crap. It's bullshit. Stay present.
That's her car. That's it.
Told Mom not to drive that night. Why didn't she?
Maybe she did. To make a choice. It was the most courageous thing she could have done. She died so you could live life for life.
다시 정신이 든 제임스. 한 번 더 타임슬립하게 되어 현재 제임스는 3명이었고
Check the house. Who the fuck is out there? Someone's out there. Where are the diamonds?
Courageous thing she could have done.
Life for life.
Put pressure on that. I didn't mean to shoot.
I thought you were supposed to lock him up downstairs.
I did.
He tried to scam us.
That's bullshit.
It's true.
Fucking you, wasn't it, Sal?
What could you fucking do? Drop the diamond!
Let's get the diamonds the fuck out of here.
How do you know my name?
It's all faded.
Who are you?
James, find me. They say when you die, your whole life flashes before your eyes. I wish it were that simple. Life is nothing but a collection crashing into each other, causing chaos. And that only in retrospect would we see it wasn't the adversity we faced. It was all there by design, forcing us to define ourselves, not by our mistakes in the past, but by our choices. Maybe it is that simple.
오래전 실종된 부모의 흔적을 찾으러 온 호퍼 교수. 그는 이곳에서 어느 동굴을 발견했고 그 안에서 그대로 멈춰있는 사람을 발견합니다. 놀란 호퍼 교수는 일단 돌아왔고 함께 조사를 하기로 한 제자들에게 왔습니다.
Saw the van? When do we go?
Situation's changed. I'm going alone. Nobody's been on this land in decades. You guys don't have anything to worry about. You guys will be fine without me for a couple of days, okay?
Oh, look. Twinsies.
그렇게 얼마 후 다시 한번 혼자 조사를 나섰는데
It's not plan A. It's just in case.
God, you're such a worry wart.
You're still there, huh?
동굴에 들어서자 어느 결계 같은 것이 보였죠.
Moisture.
Wall. Come on, Jackie.
호퍼 교수가 떠난 지 이틀이 지났는데 아무런 소식이 없었고 그의 제자 제키와 테일러가 호퍼를 찾기로 합니다.
Vehicle who'd bend over backwards for you at 6 a.m. on a Saturday.
차를 구하기 위해 카라라는 친구에게 연락하는데
The only thing is you really need to bring by your dad's sweet-ass 4x4.
Veebs.
Kara's half-sister.
카라의 여동생 비브스까지 합류했고
We forgot about Furby. Is it imperative that he come?
비브스가 자신의 남자친구 퍼비까지 데려오며 총 5명이 함께 떠나게 됩니다.
Impossible to find without a satellite.
Guys, we should totally take a picture for my vlog.
이곳에서 동굴을 발견하게 되고
No one said anything about caves.
Spiders! Furby
Herbie, take a chill pill.
이 길엔 밧줄이 있었고
I'm over here. The rope keeps going. Don't go too far. You complete me. Wait, it's been severed at the top.
Looks like somebody went down, but then they didn't come back up.
How far down does it go?
I can't tell. It's too deep to see the bottom.
이들은 교수를 찾기 위해 동굴 아래로 내려가 보기로 합니다.
All right, Stud Muffin. You're up here on lookout until we get back.
퍼비만이 지상에 남아 대기하기로 했고
There's trail mix and water in my duffel if we're gone too long.
You really gotta focus here.
I'm 13. I've been rebelling before, so chill.
It's gonna be fine. Jackie knows what she's doing. Let V's have some fun for once. Hey, be careful.
I got it. It's crazy. It's like damp.
Look.
That's weird.
Boss? Boss!
잠시 들어갔다 나왔음에도 밖은 어두웠고 풀이 자라 있었죠.
Boss! Run! What the hell?
Let's go.
차도 시동이 걸리지 않았고
Hello? I'm unarmed. From the University Archaeology Department. I came to explore your cave. Check your truck for jumper cables. Not here to steal anything.
옆에 있던 다른 차에서 제키의 가방을 발견한 호퍼 교수.
Jackie! Shit. Taylor! You guys in here? Hello?
한편 동굴에 내려오는데 성공한 제키 일행.
Adventure time.
So pretty.
Hey, Beebs, stay close.
Okay, careful. Watch your step. You got it. Did you hear that?
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
Weird noises. Those were screams. Let's go.
Furby and I can pull you two up faster than you could ever pull yourselves up.
제키가 먼저 올라가서 밧줄을 당겨주기로 했는데 갑자기 끊어져 버린 밧줄.
What? We got the rope?
Furby, I swear to God.
Drop the rest of the rope back down, dumbass. You almost killed Jackie. Furby?
Hey, dude. Are you okay up there? Herbie since kindergarten, he wouldn't do this.
How bad is it?
They feel broken.
Looks like your two best climbers just got bent.
이번 일로 제키와 테일러가 부상을 당하게 되고
There's something down there.
And they have a radio.
Who is this? Professor Hopper. Is that you?
That doesn't sound like Furby.
이들은 조사를 시작해 보는데
Why is the light moving like that?
Never seen anything like it.
That's so weird. There's a rope. God, Taylor, take Beebs to the other room.
Why?
Just take her to the other room.
위에서 무언가를 발견한 듯한 카라.
What did you see up there?
Sit. What's going on?
Whatever it is, it'll be okay. Oh my God. Kara.
Who?
Jackie, don't let her come over here.
Is it Hopper? Is that Furby?
Hey, no. I think his neck is broken. I think he tried to climb down and somebody cut his rope. The camera's still on.
이들은 퍼비가 촬영한 카메라를 돌려보는데
Not sure if the rescue rangers are playing a joke on me, but it's been radio silence. Whoa! Hey, guys, what's the deal? Do you guys think this is where Hopper went down? Because I do. So I found Hopper's dad's journal, and the natives said contained magical healing waters or something. All but one of the expeditions either died at the hands of the natives, and that's the last thing I want to read before it gets dark.
Why is it sunset?
It's midnight now, and you guys aren't back. Oh, hello. No way to get back, and no one's looking for me.
동굴에 들어온 지 분명 얼마 안 됐는데 퍼비는 하룻밤을 보낸 상황이었죠.
I ate all the food I could find and drank all the water. So I climbed down with Hopper's rope and looked for his car keys. All right, let's party. Like a real man. What the heck is that?
Please turn it off.
It doesn't make sense. The time code spans several days. We've only been in here an hour.
부상을 입지 않은 가라가 올라가 보기로 했고
It's a GPS beacon. It'll send out an SOS from anywhere in the world. Hey, don't come down without help.
Fine. I mean, I'd like to know what I'm climbing up
I think it's the sun. I think it's days and nights. Just an idea.
서투른 실력으로 암벽에 오르는 가라.
Don't look down.
다행히 밖에 나오는데 성공하는데
Taylor, the rope is gone. I'm gonna get a signal. Come on. Oh my God. Seriously. You won't believe what happened.
What do you mean, what happened?
There's something in the sky.
Kara, come on, dude. We were gone for like 2 seconds.
If you don't want to climb all the way up, just say so.
Joking. Just watch the stupid playback.
카라는 밖에서 찍었던 영상들을 이들에게 보여주죠.
This isn't possible. How is this possible?
Because I was up there for 30 minutes.
Are the tapes different?
I realized something when we watched Furby's tape. It wasn't a person who cut the rope for a long period of time. It's the sun, rising and setting. We've been here weeks, maybe months already.
Whoa. Wait. The Fountain of Youth. You stay young forever. Guys, this really is the Fountain of Youth.
Kara, you found Furby facing down, right?
Why?
In the video, he was on his side.
이들은 퍼비의 영상을 다시 확인해 보는데
Wait, Furby was still alive?
It really was him on the radio.
Taylor, help me.
알고 보니 퍼비는 누군가에게 살해된 것이었죠.
There's someone in here, and it's not Hopper.
다시 한 번 더 위로 올라가 보는 카라.
You see something here, wait. That right there. The sun's path keeps changing. It's not just the sun. It's the seasons. That's why everything was so different on the surface.
Guys, what's on the video?
Those are entire years.
Each of those is a year, not a day?
말도 안 되는 시간이 흐르는 가운데 위에서 뭔가가 떨어지는데
Kara, look up!
What the hell is that?
Hey, Kara, climb up it! Wait, there's something coming down!
Hurry! Thieves, stay back!
Oh my god.
이번엔 미래 기술로 보이는 슈트를 입은 한 남성이 나타나죠.
Where did he come from?
이어 나타난 원시인으로 보이는 한 존재.
Okay.
알 수 없는 상황 속 이들은 도망치기 시작했고
Wait, it's fire!
Guys, there's someone else in here.
There's no balls. She's warm. This is Hopper's mom.
Oh, that's Hopper's dad. Oh, shit. Come on, hurry, go!
Don't move from Jackie. Taylor.
뒤이어 나타난 슈트 인간은 이곳에 물을 채집했고 그 순간 또다시 원시인들이 나타납니다. 그리고 갑자기 정신을 차린 테일러.
He's out of time.
You're okay.
How did you manage that?
We didn't do it. He did. He can't breathe our air.
3 college and 2 middle school students disappeared. 4 departments are
Just tell us what year you're from.
It's been 2 weeks since I've seen my daughters.
하지만 슈트 인간과는 언어가 통하지 않았고
I don't know what you're saying.
이번엔 다른 영상이 재생되는데
Don't think we will survive another 1,000.
We want major breakthroughs.
They're calling it the Ark, capable of sending ships as far as Mars.
And one day we may return to planet Earth.
That happened while we were down here?
It was like thousands of years went by.
Even if we can get to the surface, everything we've known is gone.
Okay, we have 2 options. Get out of here right now, or we accept that we are...
그때 이들은 호퍼 교수의 가방을 발견했고
Hopper was here. But if we don't find him, this will all been for nothing.
테일러는 호퍼를 찾아 방법을 찾아보기로 합니다.
What about the cowboy's gun?
You guys get Furby. I'll be right back.
Hopper?
이곳에서 어린 원시인과 마주하게 되는데 그 옆에는 호퍼 교수가 쓰러져 있었죠.
Professor Hopper.
Stuck.
What? Too late.
It's my sister. Everything slows down in there.
That's it. You actually found it.
This whole cave's a system of gears designed to protect the front.
We gotta go. Come on. Wait, I can't.
They stabbed me straight through. I'm done. Get out now before there's more of them.
No, I'll be right back.
또다시 원시인들이 제키 일행을 쫓았고
Holy shit, the light stopped moving.
How does it work?
Go, I'm right behind you.
Guys, come on, go! Hurry! Guys, something's really wrong.
Water and Psycho Flintstones? I say keep climbing.
Kara, be careful!
곧바로 복장이 바뀐 카라가 동료들을 구하러 왔죠.
Guys? Holy shit.
Hey, Furby.
Welcome back.
Dude, this place is awesome. Oh, here they come.
We've got a lot to talk about.
그렇게 호퍼의 가족까지 무사히 구출되며 영화는 끝이 납니다.
A lot's changed, but we're kind of a big deal around here.
I remember being given a camera for my birthday. I loved the way a photo could capture a moment. That's what I wanted to be when I grew up. Going with Dad to the sinkhole out of the Connors farm. And I remember the girl who lived there, Ruth Connors. Now I know. She saw things others didn't. My name is Salmon. Like the fish. First name, Susie.
밝은 성격을 가졌고 사진작가를 꿈꾸는 소녀 수지. 그녀는 학교 선배 레이를 좋아하고 있었습니다. 수지의 다이어리에 몰래 러브레터를 보냈고
Are you really from England?
Yes, you are beautiful, Susie Salmon. 10 o'clock, Saturday.
토요일에 보자는 약속을 하게 됩니다.
Susie with you?
No.
She's late.
I hope that was your homework. Right down the street, down in the greenhouse. Mr. Harvey.
집으로 돌아가는 길 이웃집에 사는 하비를 만났고
This thing over here, and I want to get a second opinion. Do you mind taking a look?
I have to get home.
수지는 처음에 하비의 제안을 거절했으나
I'll show the other kids in the neighborhood. They're going to be very excited about it.
I mean, it's really neat. Come on, it'll take 2 minutes.
호기심이 많았던 수지는 결국 그를 따라가기로 합니다.
You're going to have to be more observant, Susie.
Wash my hands.
Built it for the kids in the neighborhood. I thought they could use it as a. You want to be the first one to try it out? That's it.
Wow. Wow, this is neato.
She doesn't like beans, so I'm not going to give her that.
Here, have a seat. That's a cute hat. I like that hat very much.
Actually, I have to go.
No, be polite. That's another rule.
한순간에 하비는 분위기가 바뀌었고
It's warm in here. I'm warm. Are you warm? Very pretty, Susie. Do you have a boyfriend?
부모님들은 아직까지 돌아오지 않는 수지가 걱정되었죠.
Ma'am, have you seen this girl? Please. Susan has been missing for 4 hours.
Take care.
Dad?
탈출한 줄 알았던 수지는 사실 영혼만이 탈출한 것이었고 그녀는 자신이 이미 이 세상 사람이 아님을 알 수 있었습니다.
We found some evidence in the cornfield behind us.
Susie?
We didn't find her, Mrs. Salmon. We also found blood. A significant amount of blood.
그 시각 하비는 자신의 범행 증거를 모두 없애고 있었고
Mr. Harvey.
Yes?
Detective Len Fenner.
Always blame yourself. All I can think about now is
형사들은 하비에게서 어떤 증거도 찾을 수 없었죠. 한편 수지는 현실이 아닌 세계에서 눈을 뜨게 되었고
An hour of love upon this earth.
I would give my love.
그 시각 레이는 수지의 죽음으로 슬퍼하고 있었는데
Are you the Moor?
Why?
I think this belongs to you.
Where did you get this?
I found it. You miss her, don't you?
It means gone.
What if she isn't? What if she's still here?
You're not supposed to do that. What?
그리고 수지 앞에 나타난 한 여자아이.
Wait! Who are you? I'm Holly. Holly, go light.
그녀는 이곳이 아직 천국이 아니라 설명했고
What is this place? Place is not really one place. What is that? That's where we're going. Wide heaven, beyond everything we knew. But I wasn't looking beyond yet. I was still looking back.
그 시각 이승에서 슬퍼하고 있는 수지의 아버지
It's over. Come with me. You need to let go of Earth. I have to go home.
하지만 아직 수지는 이승에 미련이 있었죠.
My murderer began to feel safe. He took comfort in the thought no one was looking at him. There was one thing my murderer didn't understand: how much a father could love his child. Dad. It's gonna be okay. My dad knows I'm here. I was alive in my own perfect world.
I saw Susie. She kissed me on the cheek.
I saw her too.
수지의 아버지는 다시 한 번 더 희망을 가지고 조사를 시작했고 수지가 찍었던 사진들을 모두 인화해 봅니다.
Look at these. Some of these are good. Susie is a smart kid. She would never go off with a stranger. Look, I've got a name for you. I've got several names actually. Davis. He works in the sanitation department.
Okay, I'll look into it.
Have you checked off Brent Peretti yet? I've been at the public records office all day. We've got a lot of stuff to go.
그렇게 수지에 대한 조사에 열을 올리고 있었는데
Criminal records, mental health issues.
Jack,
I've been doing a lot of
just stop it now. Will you just stop?
시간이 지날수록 아내는 점점 지쳐갔습니다. 며칠 후 강아지와 함께 산책 중이던 수지의 동생 린지.
You're a salmon girl, right? Okay.
이번엔 린지까지 노리는 합이었죠. 또다시 얼마 후 지쳐버린 수지의 엄마는 잠시 먼 곳으로 떠났고
My mother went as far away as she could,
자신만의 방식으로 수지를 잊고 있었습니다.
who always said she didn't believe in love.
수지는 린지가 사랑에 빠진 사실을 알게 되고
The moment I would never have, my little sister had run ahead of me.
What's the matter? I thought you'd be happy. I'm very happy.
이 모습을 보자 기쁨과 슬픔이 함께 공존하는 수지였습니다.
Always, I would watch Ray.
수지는 루스 코너의 몸에 빙의해 레이를 지켜봤고
And sometimes, Ray would think of me. My murderer had finely tuned instincts, seemed intent on crowding him, and he resented it. He began to feel a familiar.
한편 여전히 수지에 대해 조사 중이던 아버지. 무언가 이상함을 느낀 그는 하비를 찾아갑니다.
What is that?
This is the project I'm working on. It's all about concealment. Always have been. I never got a chance to tell you how sorry I am about your... I think it's time for you to go home now, Mr. Sam.
What did you do to her? You came this close to getting arrested tonight.
하지만 증거가 없었기에 오히려 경찰이 그를 말렸고
Persecuting the neighbors.
He's not crazy.
Can't go around making accusations against George Harvey.
Time to put this behind us. It's gone on too long. This has to stop.
Dad.
Appreciate everything you've done. You've been a great friend to me.
그러나 그날 밤 야구 방망이를 들고 하비에게로 향하는데
Dead. With no blood in his veins. I was so stupid. You don't control. He does not own you. That man took my life. I realized what I had done. I willed him to stop. I willed him to turn back.
Come out, face me!
결국 큰 부상을 입었고 린지도 가만히 있을 수가 없었습니다. 몰래 하비의 집을 들어가 보는 린지. 그런데 하필 이 순간 집으로 돌아오고 있던 합이 합이 또한 누군가 집에 침입했음을 느꼈습니다. 결국 도망에 성공한 린지.
Where's Dad?
What happened?
린지는 할머니에게 하비의 노트를 보여줍니다. 하지만 하비는 이미 사라진 상황.
I come here almost every day. I like to listen to the sound. You must be ready. I'm Flora Hernandez.
이곳엔 하비에게 억울하게 죽임을 당한 많은 아이들이 있었고
It's beautiful. Heaven! What are you waiting for? You're free. Almost.
하지만 수지는 아직 할 일이 남아있다 생각했죠.
Susie.
Kiss me.
You looking for a ride? I'll take you wherever you want to go. A young lady alone at night.
When my mother came to my room, I had been waiting so long.
I love you, Susie.
My name is Salmon, like the fish when I was murdered on December 6th. I was here for a moment, and then I was gone. I wish you all a long and happy life.